We want to begin now with some breaking news. Rapper Lil Durk is charged in a for hire.
The judge has rescheduled Lil Durk's trial, potentially paving the way for a house arrest release. According to reports, the Chicago rapper's M for Hire trial is now set for a hearing on August 25, 2026. In a significant legal development, 3 of Durk's co-defendants in the King Von revenge case have filed a motion to sever their cases from his trial. This move is a major win for Lil Durk, as going to trial alone rather than alongside other defendants prevents prosecutors from using his association with known gang members to sway the jury against him.
And that's what Diddy did. He's basically saying all this evidence y'all got against Durk got nothing to do with it. Why you got me charged with Durk? And that doesn't mean he's going against Durk. That just means he wants his case severed. And I'm telling you, if it's severed, it helps Durk. Because one of the main connective tissue to this conspiracy is saying that Durk told Diddy to hire. Diddy's saying, I ain't get told to hire nobody. And I ain't hired him. Why would I hire someone? That's his thing.
Delaying the trial until August opens the possibility for Lil Durk to be released on house arrest. Conclusion of today's court hearing. Reports say the Chicago rapper's attorney submitted paperwork seeking a house arrest agreement. Durk is even offering to cover an officer's salary to ensure he remains at home and under supervision at all times. However, prosecutors resisted ending the hearing in his favor. The judge concluded the session by allowing them to present all evidence against Durk, including footage of King Von's passing, which prosecutors say could demonstrate Durk's motive for revenge.
Testimony and video surveillance surrounding of King Von, and the motion to exclude this evidence was denied, meaning the judge is going to allow witnesses to testify about and allow the video of King Von to be played at the trial. And this is important because prosecutors wanted to use this evidence to argue that King Von is the reason or motive as to why Durk offered this bounty on Fondo Rondo. And so with this ruling, the jury will get to see and hear about all of that.
They're permitting it for 2 reasons. First, after King Von's death, many of his rivals openly celebrated, which prosecutors argue may have motivated Lil Durk to seek revenge.
You heard that, considering the back and forth that y'all have had in your own ways. How did you feel?
So I kind of
You were happy?
Can I say I was kind of happy? No, seriously, I was though. It was fit. You know what I'm saying? Unfortunately, he did. But I was happy when I found out Ron was I cooked in the whole day. Wild people.
When you looked at King Von getting, how did you feel? Considering the animosity between you guys up to that point.
Like my real first action.
Yeah.
Thought I was happy.
You're happy.
I was happy.
Durk mentioning it in an interview could give prosecutors significant leverage, as it shows he was fully aware of the slide for Von comments and then reinforced it in his lyrics. In one song, he raps, "Don't respond to things with Van." Then he continues, "I'm like, screw it, you're tripping. Go get your stick. They dropping locations. I'm getting it done." On social media, he also tweeted, "We're sliding. The feds are coming." Prosecutors argue that these statements collectively confirm Durk's motive, acknowledging the Von comments, arming himself, and carrying out retaliation.
Everybody's like, still, I don't know if you they used to say, but you also mentioned a song. Like, they be saying slide for fun. I think they trolling with me. A lot of episodes.
Reason, I just don't. Honestly. Some odd reason. I don't know. Might be the water.
While many believe that lyrics can't be used against someone in court, they actually can, though it's rare. When it does happen, it can create a major legal hurdle. Lil Durk's attorneys have countered by arguing that he is not being treated fairly. According to court filings, the Chicago rapper's legal team requested a status hearing regarding Durk's detention in a special housing unit without due process since August 29, 2025. Durk is confined to a tiny jail cell, just large enough for a single bed, toilet, and a sink for 23 hours a day. He has no access to commissary, is allowed only one phone call per month, and receives no in-person social visits. He was originally placed in special housing as punishment for possessing an Apple Watch. However, his lawyers argue that the case has still not been reviewed by the Unit Discipline Committee to determine proper disciplinary action, a process that normally occurs within 5 working days. Even fellow inmates from Durk's cell block reportedly reached out to those close to his legal team about the situation.